Leap like a salmon, understanding the expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and idioms. Today, we're exploring a particularly vivid expression, leap like a salmon. This phrase paints a picture with words, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in everyday English? Let's jump right in and find out. To leap like a salmon refers to the action of jumping or springing in the air with great force or energy, much like a salmon does when it swims upstream against the current. Salmons are known for their vigorous leaps out of the water, especially during their spawning season when they return to their birthplace to lay eggs. In English, this expression is used metaphorically to describe someone making a significant effort or overcoming obstacles with great enthusiasm and energy. The expression, leap like a salmon, originates from the natural behavior of salmon, which are fish known for their incredible ability to leap up waterfalls and rapids to reach their spawning grounds. This impressive feat of nature has inspired various cultures throughout history, making its way into the English language as a metaphor for determination, strength, and the ability to overcome challenges. Using leap like a salmon in conversation or writing adds a layer of vivid imagery to your message. It's perfect for situations where you want to emphasize someone's energetic effort or the act of overcoming obstacles. Here are a few examples. Despite the challenges, she leapt like a salmon over every hurdle, securing her place in the finals. When the opportunity arose, he didn't hesitate and leapt like a salmon to grab it. Remember, this expression is best used in informal settings or creative writing, as it conveys a strong visual and might be too colorful for formal contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on the expressive phrase, leap like a salmon, and inspired you to incorporate it into your own English usage. Whether you're overcoming personal challenges or just need a dynamic way to describe someone's efforts, this phrase adds flavor and vividness to your language. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leap like a salmon into our next video for more English language tips and tricks.